So I have been debating on doing this or not. It's a little weird for me to do this, but I decided to do it anyway. So if y'all have cerebral palsy and or another disability that makes it hard for you to do things with your hands, I'm going to show you how I put my hair up if you can't do that. So I'm going to show you how I do it. You don't have to turn around like I am, but I'm on video, so it's just for show. Go around. Make sure all your hair is back. Now don't worry if it takes more than one try, it's okay. It takes me like 2 or 3 tries sometimes. Oh. See? Hold it like this. This here. Pull out whichever side you want, either the back one or the front one. Hold and push. And there you go. You can now eat, paint, do whatever you need to do, clean, whatever you need to do without your hair in your face.